What looked like a prayer on the outside was in fact a neurological loop of self-affirmation and ego reinforcement. The brain didn't descend into stillness. It climbed into self-constructed superiority. Let's look at this scientifically. Despite his religious actions, the Pharisee's brain never entered theta wave states. The brain rhythms connected with emotional healing, contemplation, peace, and surrender. Why? Because comparison, pride, and judgment activate stress circuits, not spiritual circuits. Instead of serotonin-based harmony, the Pharisee produced dopamine-driven superiority. Instead of releasing the oxytocin of spiritual connection, the Pharisee triggered cortisol, that is stress hormone based isolation. His nervous system remained in a state of hypervigilance, not reverence. He was not praying, he was protecting an image.